2008 of all things, we were in trouble teaching in Africa, and we decided to take a square foot garden class. So we went to Utah for 3 days. It was probably September, somewhere in there. It was late in the fall, and absolutely fell in love with Mel and all the classmates and everything else. It was so good. It triggered something inside of me and my wife that we're on to something here, because here is what we're looking for to help feed people in need. That's what we're looking for. African people don't have much money, or even don't have any money, and so the square foot gardening is fit the bill perfectly. Plus, it's the best way to grow a crop continuously next to your house and make it convenient, like Mel would say. You know, real handy outside the door, just reach out there and grab it and take it in, and it works. So we've made 21 trips to 9 different countries.
Wow.
Teaching these methods. And it's absolutely a lifesaver for me, because I couldn't figure out how to do it. But Mel pushed us over the edge into healthy soils and growing crops one after another, just like the books say to do. So we published a book on how to do this stuff too, and it's full of square foot gardening ideas, all the way through it. And a lot of it's on making compost and stuff, but you can see there's one of the very first ones we ever did. And this particular 4 foot by 4 foot box, on my first test ever, was made with no money, and it produced 45 kilo of food, which is 100 pounds.